Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Nio Inc, and as you can see the stock went up higher last Friday after the company's CEO confirmed that its manufacturing partner has construction of a second factory near Nio's headquarters in the industrial city of Haifa, right? So obviously, the entire sector was in doldrum. I mean, as far as the stock price is concerned, now when things are recovering, demand surely will come into picture. And if you look at the stock price, it is showing the same thing which you can see in the press release. Now, this is the stock price, stock chart of Neo. I have drawn all the important major support and resistance level. As you can see here, it is very near to its breakout levels, right? It has already made one decent breakout uh, from or above the level of 43.95. Now the next big resistance will be at 46.48, as this will be your next resistance of $47. Once the stock sustain above $47, let me tell you one thing, the bigger trend will open up, right? The bigger trend will open up for this stock, and that leads the stock price towards or in between 250 and $450. So this is what you can see in this particular chart. And let me tell you one more thing. As the previous high of this particular stock was I think near 60 or $70, so this is 69.43 or $70. So until and unless this get crossed, technically it should move directly from 49 to a bigger range, which is in between 250 and 450. But because there is another technical resistance at 69 or $70, the stock must surpass this hurdle before moving forward. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.